the pigeon pose. So this is great for improving flexibility in the glutes as well as even the IT band. If you've ever been to a yoga class, you've probably seen this before. So we're going to start by the face down position. We're going to bring one leg forward, trying to get that shin across parallel with our chest. And so right here, you can hold the pigeon pose like this, but if you have better flexibility than me, you can even come down to the floor or stretch out those arms and just simply let your chest sink to the floor. Now you want to try and keep your hips parallel or level to the floor. So if one hip can't be quite as high, you can place a yoga block underneath. But if this is a good stretch, hold here. If you can go even lower, hold here. And you should feel that right in your glutes and IT band. So you perform the pigeon pose on one side, and then hold, and rinse and repeat on the other side.